In this video, I'll show you how to program your RCA Universal Remote Control. This one is the Platinum Pro, but it could work with other ones with your device. Could be a TV, cable box, DVD player, satellite dish, streaming box. Many devices are compatible with this remote control. There's two ways on how this could be done. Let's start with the first one, and if it does not work, go to the second way I'll show. First step is to actually turn on your TV or device that you want to program the remote control with. Then in the box, you're going to find this paper. This is a paper with multiple codes for TVs, sound systems, sound bar, and other devices. Go ahead and look through it and find the brand of your device. I'll put a screenshot right now on the screen so you see better. Then on your remote control, you're going to press one of these top button over here. If you want to set up a TV, you're going to use the TV button, SAT, CBL, DVD. It's for satellite, cable box, or DVD player, and stream over here is for stream box. Keep press on that button until the red light on the corner there stays on. Then release that button. Now it's time to enter the code over there with the number pad. So in my case, it's 31311. And after doing so, the code is now registered on your remote control and you need to try it with your device. If it works, that's great. You don't need to do anything more. You better try all the buttons because sometimes only a few of them are working. If your remote control is not working or only half of those buttons are working, go ahead and redo the same thing with the next code that was written on the list. Now let me show you the second method on how to pair this remote with your device. First step, turn on your device. So my TV is turned on. Press one of these three buttons on the top. If you want TV, cable, satellite, or streaming box. In my case, it's TV, so I'll keep it pressed until the light over there stays red. Then release your finger from the button. You'll need to enter the 5-digit device code for your device you want to operate. What I mean by this, you can pause the screen if you want, but check over here, and if you want a TV, you'll need to enter 11111, VCR 22222, and the other devices, the number on the left side. So take note of this number. In my case, it's the first one. So I'll go ahead and type 11111. After doing this, press and hold the device key you want to set the program during 2 seconds until the light indicator illuminates and stays on. Again, same thing. I'm keeping it pressed here until it stays red. And now what you need to do is to point the remote control directly towards the device you want to pair with and press the power button on the top. You may need to press it multiple times. Just wait about 2 seconds between each time until the device turns off. Okay, it worked finally. Now it's important to press the stop button here so it memorized the button. I'll press it once and the key code is memorized. So now you need to test. Power your TV on and then use the buttons here and check if it works. So thanks for watching. I hope my video was helpful. If it was, please leave a like and a comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.